Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Fathom automatically recording your Zoom meetings. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have started to use Fathom, but you don't want Fathom to record all of your Zoom meetings. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log onto your Fathom.video account. Next, you're going to click on Settings, located in the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to find the Zoom section. So right now I have Zoom fully enabled, and you see this toggle button. You want to go ahead and turn this off. This right here says that it auto records unscheduled Zoom meetings. And so with that, you want to make sure that this is toggled off so that Fathom no longer automatically records your Zoom meetings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and stop Fathom from automatically recording your Zoom meetings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.